Hello viewers, today I was telling about a fixed Instagram messages not sending. For that you need to go to Play Store and here type the Instagram, and if your Instagram not updated means just update it. After that open the Instagram and go to the profile and click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on with message and story replies. Here you need to click on message controls, and here you need to allow the access to messages. It was updating, it was allowed, and you need to come back and you need to click long press on Instagram account and click on app info, and here you need to click on notifications, just on the all the notifications, and go to additional settings in the app, and here you need to click on messages and on all the on requests and come back. Thank you.